kako, to all of our opio, our youth, to our makua, our parents, and to our kupuna, our elders, and all of you on the World Wide Web. Celebration of the Arts 2021 introduces a new segment called Prose and Poetry, and we ask you to participate along the lines of the theme Ua Aukahi Nae'ole, together flowing as one. How can we make this world a better place? You tell us. Give us your stories, give us your poetry. We'd love to hear from you. A great example of this is through Dr. Elizabeth Kapu'wailani Lindsay. Here is her submission as to what Ua Aukahi Nae'ole means to her.
As a child, I was raised by kupuna, native Hawaiian elders who knew the names of the winds and the rains and spoke intimately to the natural world, just as you and I would to a beloved. They planted according to lunar cycles and fished knowing which schools would swim under very specific moons. When I was 7, they sat me down at the ocean, and they shared with me a prophecy that I have never forgotten. They said someday the world will be in trouble. Power as countries know it will start to unravel. Power in big business and halls of politics will start to come undone. And there will be great strife in the world. There will be storms and natural disasters, and it will feel challenging. But as you grow up, you will go into the far edges of the earth to remember the wisdom of the ancestors, because it is this wisdom that will help return the world to balance. And as you travel, it will sometimes be a lonely road. But you will look into the eyes of seeming strangers, and there you will find your ohana, your family. And it will take all of you to help return the world to balance. Many years passed, and as my elders predicted, I grew up and became an anthropologist and a National Geographic explorer, and have traveled into some of the most remote regions of the world in order to remember the wisdom of cultures that most people will never know. And so it is with this humble prophecy that we are seeing that voices are rising from the land that speak a truth and whose words thunder, and it will take all of us together to return the world to balance. I am Elizabeth Kapu'wailani Lindsay Crowley, and I wish you my fondest aloha.
I hope you enjoyed that. Again, this comes from the heart, and this is what we want you to do, is come from the heart as to how can we flow together. This next entry is through composer, musician, award-winning singer, Kamakakehau Fernandez. Listen as he explains what his heart tells him.
Ua Aukahi Nae'ole, together flowing as one. Flowing together as one is a task that can be done, whether here or there or here. Vahia kupuna, according to our ancestors, trusting your intuition will always bring things to fruition. As spiritual changes unfold, important lessons are to behold. Trust the good in you to uplift and enlighten others. Where there is will, there is way. And today is your day.
There you have it. Two individuals who have expressed their desire to make the world a better place. So we invite you to please contribute. We look forward to hearing from you. Please compose your entry, recite it, record it, send it to celebrationofthearts.org. Again, www.celebrationofthearts.org. We will look forward to hearing from you, your heart's desire of how peace and unity can come to this world. Aloha.